Discover how Fintech is revolutionizing the world of finance and how you can leverage these cutting-edge tools to supercharge your financial journey. Hi, and welcome back to Money Matters, your trusted, all-inclusive channel for making finance easy and covering everything you should know about making your money work for you. Why? Simple. Because your school doesn't and won't. Today, we'll talk about Fintech. Fintech, short for financial technology, is not just a buzzword. It's the future of your money. It's revolutionizing the way we handle money. From the way we shop, save, invest, and even borrow, Fintech is at the heart of it all. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Fintech, exploring its origins, its impact, and how it's reshaping the financial landscape. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about the buzzword you've been hearing so much about, buckle up. We're about to embark on a Fintech journey that promises to change your financial life forever. Let's get started with the rise of Fintech. Ever wondered why suddenly there's so much talk about digital wallets, online lending platforms, or robo-advisors? Well, it's all thanks to Fintech. The term Fintech might seem relatively new, but its roots trace back to the 1960s with the advent of credit cards and ATMs. Fast forward to the 21st century, and we've seen an explosion of Fintech solutions. The rise of smartphones and the internet has paved the way for innovations like mobile banking, peer-to-peer lending, and digital currencies. These advancements are not just about convenience. They're about providing financial services to those previously underserved by traditional banks. Think about it. How many times have you used a Fintech service this week? Maybe you paid for coffee with a tap on your phone or transferred money to a friend using an app. It's all Fintech in action. Now that we've seen how Fintech has been climbing the ranks, you might be wondering who's leading this charge. Let's dive into some of the standout names making waves in the Fintech universe, transitioning to key players in the Fintech world. Ever heard of Square or Robinhood? These are just a couple of the big names in the Fintech world. Square has revolutionized point-of-sale transactions, while Robinhood has made stock trading accessible to the masses. But the Fintech universe is vast and varied. There's Stripe, streamlining online payments for businesses, and Chime, offering no-fee mobile banking. And we can't overlook the unicorns like Revolut and TransferWise, making international transactions a breeze. These trailblazers are reshaping our financial landscape, but they're just the beginning. The Fintech world is brimming with startups, each solving unique financial challenges. Take a moment to think. Have you used any of these Fintech services? How have they changed your financial habits? As we delve deeper, you might discover even more Fintech solutions that could fit seamlessly into your life. Ready to explore further? Fintech services. Beyond banking. When you hear Fintech, you might immediately think of digital banking. But it's so much more than that. Fintech has its fingers in almost every financial pie you can think of. Mobile payments, think Apple Pay or Google Wallet. Need a loan but don't want to go through traditional banks? Peer-to-peer lending platforms like Lending Club or Prosper have got you covered. And if you're looking to invest but don't know where to start, robo-advisors like Betterment or Wealthfront can guide you. And let's not forget InsurTech. Companies like Lemonade are using tech to simplify insurance, making it more transparent and user-friendly. The beauty of Fintech is its versatility. It's not just about banking. It's about enhancing every aspect of our financial lives. Think about it. Which of these Fintech services have you tried? Maybe there's a service you didn't even realize was part of the Fintech family. As we dive deeper, you'll see just how expansive this world is. Ready to uncover more? Blockchain and cryptocurrencies. All right, let's dive into a topic that's been buzzing everywhere. Blockchain and cryptocurrencies. Ever heard of Bitcoin or Ethereum? Yep, that's Fintech magic right there. Blockchain is the technology behind cryptocurrencies. Think of it as a digital ledger that's transparent, secure, and decentralized. No middlemen, no banks, just peer-to-peer transactions. It's revolutionary because it offers a level of trust and security that wasn't possible before. Cryptocurrencies, on the other hand, are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security. Bitcoin, the pioneer, opened the door, but now there are thousands of them, each with its unique features and uses. But it's not just about digital money. Blockchain is being used in supply chain management, voting systems, real estate, and so much more. Its potential is vast, and we're just scratching the surface. Reflect for a moment. Have you ever dabbled in cryptocurrencies? Or maybe you've heard of blockchain but weren't sure what it was all about. As we move forward, you'll see how these innovations are reshaping the financial landscape. Excited for what's next? The global impact of fintech. Let's zoom out for a second and look at the bigger picture. Fintech isn't just about fancy apps and digital wallets. It's changing the world, one transaction at a time. In developing countries, fintech is a beacon of hope. Many people don't have access to traditional banks. But guess what? They have smartphones. Mobile banking and payment apps are bridging the gap, giving millions access to financial services for the first time. It's financial inclusion in action. Then there's the matter of remittances. Sending money across borders used to be a costly affair. With fintech solutions, it's faster and cheaper, helping families support each other without losing a chunk to fees. And let's not forget about small businesses. Getting a loan from a traditional bank can be a Herculean task. Fintech platforms are stepping in, offering loans based on innovative criteria, helping dreams come to life. Pause and think. Can you imagine a world where everyone has access to financial services, where borders don't dictate the cost of sending money, and where dreams aren't stifled by banking red tape? That's the world fintech is building. Ready to see what challenges it faces? Regulations and challenges. Alright, so fintech sounds like a dream come true, right? But like every innovation, it's not without its challenges. Let's dive into the hurdles fintech has to jump over. First up, regulations. The financial world is a maze of rules, and for a good reason. It's about protecting you and your money. But fintech is a new player in an old game. Regulators are scrambling to catch up, figuring out how to ensure these new platforms are safe and trustworthy. Then there's the matter of security. With great power, or in this case technology, comes great responsibility. Cyber attacks are a real threat. Fintech companies have the task of ensuring their platforms are Fort Knox level secure. Your data, your money, it's all on the line. And let's talk about competition. The fintech world is booming, which means everyone wants a piece of the pie. Standing out and gaining user trust in a saturated market, it's no walk in the park. Take a moment. Think about the apps and platforms you use. Are you confident in their security? Do you know how they're regulated? It's always good to be informed, especially when it's about your hard-earned cash. Next up, let's peek into the future of fintech. The future of fintech. Ever wondered what's next for fintech? Well, let's hop into our time machine and take a glimpse into the future. AI and machine learning are set to play even bigger roles. Imagine personalized financial advice, tailored just for you, without even asking. Or fraud detection systems so advanced, they catch suspicious activity before it even happens. Sounds pretty cool if you ask me. Then there's the rise of open banking. This is where financial institutions share user data, with permission, of course, to provide better services. Think of it as a buffet of financial products, all customized for you. And let's not forget about virtual banks. No physical branches, just a full-fledged bank in your pocket. Convenient, right? Lastly, sustainability. As the world becomes more eco-conscious, fintech will too. Green loans, sustainable investing platforms, and more are on the horizon. Pause and think. How do you feel about a future where your bank knows you better than you know yourself? Excited? Apprehensive? It's a brave new world out there, and fintech is leading the charge. Ready to move on? Let's talk practical tips for navigating this fintech universe. Practical tips for navigating the fintech world. Alright, so you're all hyped up about fintech, but how do you make the most of it without getting lost in the digital maze? Here are some pointers. Do your research. Before jumping onto any fintech platform, do a bit of homework. Check out reviews, see what others are saying, and ensure it's a good fit for your needs. Safety first. Always ensure the platform you're using has robust security measures. Look for things like two-factor authentication and encrypted data storage. Stay updated. The fintech world moves fast. New updates, features, and even new platforms pop up regularly. So keep an eye out and stay informed. Understand the costs. While many fintech services offer free tiers, there might be hidden fees or premium features. Always read the fine print. Ask questions. If something seems too good to be true, or you don't fully understand a feature, reach out. Most platforms have customer support or community forums to help out. Reflect a moment. With these tips in hand, you're better equipped to dive into the fintech world. Think about your financial goals and how these tools can help you achieve them. Ready for the wrap-up? Let's bring it all together. Conclusion. We've journeyed through the digital revolution of finance, from the rise of fintech to the practical ways you can harness its power. It's clear, fintech isn't just a buzzword. It's a transformative force, reshaping how we think about and interact with money. From instant payments to global transactions, from managing investments to securing loans, fintech is making it all simpler, faster, and often cheaper. But remember, as Uncle Ben said, with great power comes great responsibility. As you embrace these innovations, always prioritize safety, do your due diligence, and stay informed. The future of your money is exciting, and Fintech is here to ensure it's also bright. For a last time, think about how fintech has already impacted your life and where it might take you next. Got any fintech apps or platforms you swear by? Share them with us. We're all in this digital journey together. As we wrap up, we hope you found this video on fintech helpful. If you did, think about someone who might also benefit from this info. As you see, financial knowledge is of critical importance, especially in today's world. After all, we don't have our name for nothing. Money does matter. If you got someone, share it with them so they don't miss out. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so feel free to leave a comment below. If there's any topics you'd like to know more about, be sure to drop them in the comments as well. Your feedback helps us create content that serves your needs. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated with all our latest videos. We have a lot more informative and exciting content planned for you. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching and investing your time with us. We hope to see you again next week here at Money Matters, because your money matters. Oh, you're still here, but the video just ended. Well, since you're already here, don't forget to click this video on the left and subscribe to my channel on the right. Alright, that's all for today. Seriously. See ya.